Guys, welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna give you some recipe which I never give you before, alright? And I'm willing to share with you today. Anyway, I got some strawberry and blueberry which I'm gonna put straight inside of my blender, just like that. Strawberry and blueberry right there. And also I have a fingers of ripe banana which I'm going to be breaking up and put this straight inside of it, just like that. So basically it will be coming out with a nice lovely flavor and taste. I have mango and passion fruits low fat yogurt which I want to put also inside of it. I'm gonna put roughly about half cup of it also inside of it. All right, very simple recipe, but not only that, it's very healthy recipe for you guys. All right, and you know Chef Ricardo trying my best to give you guys some healthy recipe. No more than that, what I'm going to do next is put some ice. Not a lot of ice, just a few ices inside of it to bring it up really lovely and nice. You don't need to put any honey because everything is sweet. You got the banana, which is sweet. We got the blueberry and the strawberry and also the yogurt. So pretty good. Everything is 100% perfect so far. All right, go on my Instagram and get the recipe, or on my website, Chef Ricardo Cooking. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to blend it. All right. So I have everything inside of it, as I can see: blueberry, strawberry, ripe banana, yogurt, and ice. And all I'm gonna do is simple. Cover my blender just like this and blend it for about 2 to 3 seconds. It won't take long. Lovely. That is finished. Beautiful, simple and nice. As I said, I'm just giving you some recipe which can work for you in this summer at home, guys. So please enjoy the recipe as it goes on. So now we're gonna simply share it up and see what you look inside of that lovely smoothie cup today. All right, stay tuned, guys. I love every one of you. Stay tuned. Nice one, guys. So this is my glass right here, and I'm gonna simple pour it out. Like you guys can see, well, here are a few pieces of ice in it. That's lovely. It's all right. Nice one. Look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. All right. If you like the recipe, please subscribe and leave your comments in the description box. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and as you can see, that look fantastic and an amazing, lovely recipe, simple, healthy and delicious, and definitely you guys will love this one at home. All right, hopefully you guys will like the recipe, and also please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend, and don't forget the recipe is very easy, step-by-step recipe from Chef Ricardo. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.